Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to go over some things that you need to get for your Samsung Galaxy A15 that you probably didn't even think about. These are a lot of the accessories that I use with my phone. They'll all be linked down in the description in case you want to check out any or you want to purchase any, all right? So we're going to start with the most basic thing, which is a wall charger. Now in the box, you will get a cable, but unfortunately Samsung no longer supplies a wall charger. Now you don't want to just buy any wall charger, you want to get one that is from a reputable company. This one is called the Anker Nano, and it is a Type-C charging port. This will link up with the cable in the box, and these tend to charge your phone nice and fast. Now, they do also sell another version of that one. It actually has a Type-C, and it also has a full USB, so for your other older devices that don't use Type-C, you can charge your phone and, for example, a pair of headphones simultaneously with that other version. The next thing is you'll want to buy another memory card, okay? So your phone is going to come with a good amount of storage, but you should get more because the more storage you have, the better your phone will run. And I actually have a link, I have a video that I'll link in the corner right here that will go over how to install a memory card, how to change your settings so that when you take pictures or videos, it's going to automatically save them to the memory card. The more you save to the memory card, the faster your phone is going to run, versus if you don't have a memory card and everything you're taking is storing on the phone, as the phone begins to fill up, it will begin to run slower. Thus, why you need to get a memory card. I'll have links below for memory cards as well. You definitely want to get a quality brand and you want to get a fast memory card. You don't want to just buy any cheap old brand, or you could end up paying for it later. All right, moving on to the next thing. So when you purchased the phone, it did have a Type-C charging cable in the box, which is great, but it's a short one. And I always love to get a longer cable, so I usually will purchase a 10-foot Type-C to Type-C cable. That way, for example, if I'm sitting on the couch at home and I want to charge up, I have plenty of slack in that cable. I can run that charger behind me or whatever, and I can use my phone while it's charging versus the little dinky 3-foot charger that comes in the box. Number 4 is going to be some type of power bank. Okay, now what is a power bank? A power bank is simply extra juice, extra power for your phone. Let's say you wake up today and you know what? My phone didn't charge. I forgot to plug it in overnight and I don't have time to sit here and wait for it to charge right now. I use this charger, and this is a really cool portable charger. It's Type-C on the top here, and it has a little indicator that kind of shows you, so when you press the button, it'll actually show you, how much juice you have left. You just take this and plug it right up to the bottom of your phone, and that's it. It's going to give you a nice boost. If my phone is on 10% and I plug in this guy right here, it'll get me up to about 60 or 70%. Definitely consider getting a portable power bank charger because this is going to be a game changer. I keep this in my work bag because I swear at least twice a week something happens where my phone doesn't charge the whole day or whatever. Maybe I watched a video on my lunch and then now my battery's super low, and guess what? I always have this. I never have to worry about not having juice for my phone. By the way, guys, if this video has been helpful so far, make sure you bump that like button down below. And once you get to the end of the video, I'd love for you guys to drop in the comment section what was the most helpful accessory that I shared and which one you would consider buying. Just want to love to hear your feedback down in the description below. Let's go ahead and keep moving. So our next accessory is going to be this really cool watch. This is actually a new fitness band that just came out from Samsung. It's called the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. This is only $75. Very inexpensive, and it'll link right up with your Samsung A15. Now this, I want to say you'll get about 3 days of battery life. That's the average I've been getting. There's a bunch of cool watch faces for it. It will read your heart rate. It'll track your workouts. It'll show you notifications on your phone when you get text messages or emails. It's a really cool device. It's helped me stay on track with my fitness goals. I always want to finish my day at 10,000 steps, and so using this has been a game changer. So if you're in the market for some type of smart wearable device, you'll notice that most of them cost somewhere in the ballpark of 150 to 300. This guy is $75. It is like almost too good to be true at this price. So it's definitely worth taking a look at to see if this will fit, because it is the Samsung Galaxy Fit. See what I did there? See what I did there? If you like that joke, if you got a little chuckle out of it, make sure you bump that like button. All right, let's move on. Oh, I also have a video on this device as well, and I'll link that video right here. It's like my little mini review, so if you want to just get more information about how this little device works and how my experience has been so far, check out that video. Now, moving on, if you would love to play videos from your phone onto your TV, then you'll want to get what's called a Google Chromecast. And I have a whole video, I'll link it right here. And in that video, I actually go over how to mirror your phone screen to the TV. So, for example, if you're trying to show what you're doing on your phone on the TV, the video will show you how to do that. Or if you're simply just trying to play a YouTube video from your phone, or a Netflix video, or a Hulu video, or whatever, how to play it from your phone right onto the TV. Now, guess what? If you don't have a smart TV, it's okay. That's why you want to buy this device. As long as you have home Wi-Fi and that Chromecast, you just plug it up right to the back of your TV, and your phone is going to find it on the network, and it will allow you to share videos and pictures from your phone right to the TV. So if that's something you want to do, definitely check out that device. Mine is currently plugged into my TV, but I did want to at least have a picture of it flashed on the screen. Okay, next up, you'll want to get a wireless printer, especially if you're someone who tends to have to print out documents or different things for work, or every so often you need to print something. You'll want to get a good wireless printer. Now, normally Epson is what I recommend because they're the easiest to set up and they have the really good prices on ink. So I'll link to this video right here. In this video, I actually go over the process of how to print from your A15 right to a wireless printer. And obviously you'll see the links to some great deals on wireless printers as well. There's some as low as like $70 that are really, really easy to set up and really compact. And then there's obviously more advanced versions that do a lot of extra stuff. So I'll definitely link those down below. Now, next up, I want to recommend two things. First is going to be a car charger, so you can plug up in the car for those road trips or those long drives. And second, a magnetic mount for your phone. Now, basically, this is a little mount that it either will link up to your air vent, or you can stick it on your dash, and you put this little magnet behind your phone, and your phone simply just sticks right to the magnet, and it allows your phone to basically be propped up while you drive. Now, this is great for looking at directions, and simply just having your phone higher in the event that you need to glance over to look at it, maybe call someone while you're driving or change your music. You don't want to be looking down. You want to make sure your eyes are fairly high and up at the road, and these mounts are great for that. Now, next up is going to be a good pair of earbuds, and I recommend the Samsung Galaxy FE buds. Now, these are a more recent version Samsung just came out with. They come in at a great price. They're under $100. They do have really great sound, and they come with a really cool case as well. So I'll definitely link that one below too. And we'll go ahead and close out the video with a Bluetooth speaker, because obviously this phone has a decent speaker on it, but always nice to get something a little bit better. Now, this is the Tri-Bit Bluetooth speaker here, and this one usually goes for around $50. And this one, it's a really good size. It's got nice and large buttons on the front here. You've got some buttons here on the side. Power, your Bluetooth pairing button. When it's on, you'll see the battery indicator here. The light's showing you how much battery is left. So super easy to use, and this one actually will detach, and you can like link it up on a backpack or a rail. and you're going to have just really good sound, upgraded sound from what you're currently using. And it takes Type-C, so it'll work with your phone charger as well. So obviously we'll have that one linked below too. And with that, guys, we're at the end of our video here. What you'll probably notice is I didn't go over a lot of the basic things. I didn't go over cases. I didn't go over screen protectors. I'm assuming you already have those things because those are really like the main things that you get when you buy a phone. So I assume you already knew about a case, screen protector. But this video was about everything else. What else do I need with my phone to have a really good experience? And these are the things I think are the most important. Now, there's a few I didn't mention, but I'll have them all linked down in the description. Check them out, and if any of these things align with, just things that you need or you think that would make your experience better with the phone, definitely pick one up. I can't wait to hear in the comment section down below what was the most helpful accessory I went over and which one you're considering buying. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.